Hello, Paris Independent families. It's Stephen McCauley, the superintendent, with the weekly update. First off, I usually start this off following up some physical activity, but as of today, it's pouring down rain, so I'm just going to commit to getting in a run with my family later this evening. We're planning to go over in the west side of Paris City. First up, we're going to do some thank yous. I want to thank the Paris Independent Education Foundation. They had a meeting earlier this week, and I was able to join on there, and just so thankful for all the things they do to provide for our students, technology and experiences. It's just a great partnership. We're thankful for that group. Next, I want to thank our custodial maintenance staff. They've been amazing this summer in getting our school sanitized and cleaned and ready for the return this fall. And I'm just so thankful for the work that they've done. Also, I want to thank our food service staff. They've been amazing throughout this entire COVID-19 experience, continuing to provide meals each and every day. And we'll continue to offer those Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 10 a.m. You can pick up a breakfast and a lunch. So I encourage you to come to the Fine Arts Center to continue picking up those meals. Next up, I want to talk about fall reentry. We had our first task force meeting this morning. We were focusing on 3 different areas: the health and safety of our students, maintaining a quality learning environment, supporting exceptional learners, and district and school operations. So you guys have been fantastic in supporting us by submitting your responses to the surveys. We've had over 175 responses to our surveys. So I want to keep you guys updated. And next week I'll have more information that shares what we're doing to prepare for the fall reentry. But as of this time, I wanted to let you know our task force has met. We have breakout groups that will meet next week, and then we'll continue to develop plans that address all the different scenarios that could present itself this fall. Next, I want to speak about the civil unrest in our country. I'm so grateful to be a part of the Paris community and the Paris Independent School District. I'm proud to work with a staff willing to stand up or kneel for what they believe in to make a better future for our students. I'm blessed to work with a school board that is focused on providing a bright future for our students and a positive working environment for our staff. I'm thankful for a police department and a chief that serves and protects through relationship building and patience. We're fortunate to have city and county leaders who genuinely want to build a better community for our children and grandchildren and are responsive to the concerns of our citizens. Upon my arrival as a teacher at Paris High School in the fall of 2003, I know it sounds like a long time ago, I quickly learned that this school district and community embraces diversity. In 2020, I continue to observe our students and staff treat each other with kindness and understanding regardless of race or ethnicity. When issues arise, we work together to address the concerns with an open mind and a positivity that is built upon trust and mutual respect. Paris Independent School District remains opposed to all forms of racism and is committed to creating an environment where all students are valued and respected. Principals at our schools are committed to being responsive leaders to issues and concerns that are brought to them by students, parents, and stakeholders. Our Family Resource and Youth Service Centers supply basic needs and offer a kind ear and a warm heart when our families are facing some of their greatest challenges, and our summer feeding program helps ensure that no one goes hungry. Additionally, our school board recently approved full-time guidance counselors at each of our schools and approved a contract to expand mental health services. All middle and high school students have a mentor that they meet with every single day of the school year. Additionally, our 5-year, $500,000 21st Century Grant will provide expanded opportunities for students to grow and learn together with their peers in a safe and controlled environment. If you're a community member who is interested in making a positive impact with our students, I encourage you to become a volunteer. Paris Elementary has the Helping Hands program that provides opportunities for volunteers to mentor and tutor, and our middle and high schools are launching Greyhound Ambassadors and mealtime mentor programs this coming fall. Serving as a mentor for our students is a great way to support our students and to help shape the future of our young people. In conclusion, Paris Independent is a community school. I welcome our parents, students, and community members to reach out to me directly to discuss and share how we can work together to move forward in a way that creates a better future for our young people. I can be reached via email at stephen.mccauley@paris.kyschools.us or by phone at 859-987-2160. As always, if you have questions, comments, or concerns, please share them below or reach out directly to me, and I'll be happy to answer them the following week. We'll see you guys next time on the Weekly Update.